Rastik.
Yes.
Could you please tell me something about yourself?
Okay, thank you, sir. Well, my name is Astik Pal. I was born and brought up in Kosambi. I have done my schooling from St. Fulpadevi Inter College, Bhavani, Prayagraj. Right now, I am pursuing ITI. I am also I have done my engineer course, and I will go Air Force training. My family background is concerned. My father's name is Hari Prasad Pal. He is a farmer, and my mother's name is Mrs. Kalati Pal. She is homemaker. About my working experience is concerned, I am fresher, and my hobbies, I love dancing and roaming, and my confidence is my strength point is my confidence and about helping poor person. Thank you.
That's good. So you said so many things. You told about that Air Force.
Yes.
Okay. And have you got selection over there?
Yeah, I have got selection in Indian Air Force.
Okay. So can you please tell me that how do we prepare for Air Force? It is not very easy for people, but then you just work hard. And how did you work? Please tell me something.
Yes, sir, it is not cup of tea. It is not cup of tea. I have prepared 3 times. I gave 3 intake in Indian examination because of I have first failed, second failed. After that, I got smart working. After that, I got a selection in an Air Force. It is not my cup of tea. I did hard work, and also when I got a 70 out of 11 marks first time. After that I did some hard work. After that I got a 21st mark out of 70. After that I thought I think my luck is not good. After that but I will not lose. I was not lose. After that one time again my family with me, and also they said you don't lose, you don't give up. After that again one time, and after that last my and also my last age. After that I got 51 marks out of 70. After that easily I got selection.
Okay, that's good. You said means you worked hard for that. Means, after you just tried for earlier tried 2 times and you failed.
Yes.
And in third attempt you qualified the exam.
Yes.
Completely. And what was the role of English over there in Air Force?
Yeah, English is very important, and if you know how to speak English, then you can you if you are examination clear written examination in Air Force. After that Indian Air Force ask for GD, good discussion, and if you participate discussion, then you have to speak English, because you don't know how to speak English, then you can't qualify of Indian Air Force. And I'm also when I came here, I don't know how to speak English. Then English world institute of I know, I come to know. After that I came here and I learned English spoken. After that when I went then easily I got a GD, qualified GD.
Okay. According to you, is GD tough or easy for students?
No. According to me, GD is not easy and GD is not tough. GD is medium. If any person a little bit do hard work, so they can easily qualify GD.
Okay. So what about you in future? What will you do? When are you going for training?
Yeah, on 26th June, I will go up Indian Air Force training after 6 months. After that, I will enjoy also training, because every 2,500 candidates, both girls and boys. So I will enjoy very much. After that, after 6 months, 4 months training and 2 months MI advanced training. After that, I will come and I enjoy home. I meet every person, because I miss every person, my family, my teachers, my friends. I will miss.
Okay, but why did you want to join this? There are so many options for you, but why you really selected this job? Means why you tried only for?
Yeah, so when I studied class 11th, after that every person want to join IIT and become IITian. I am also join IIT, but I called when I live in Rome, in Prayagraj. I live in Rome. After that I called my father. Hello dad. I wanted to join in the IIT. After that I asked for 75,000 money, but father said I am poor. How will I give? So I thought it is, yeah, I have no house condition. After that I thought I gave examination in DA. I disqualified. After that, when I qualified class 12th, one my senior girls qualified. When class 12 completed, after that, all of sudden qualified Indian Air Force. I thought it is easy because Air Force gave also graduation and diploma, both are degree. So it is good my luck. Then because and I gave examination. After that, I selected, and I will pursuing graduation there also. And after that, it is my I want to do in Indian fourth examination because it's my luck. I will go, and after that, when I will come 4 years, I will join civil service and I will become IS officer.
As you said earlier that you wanted to go for IT sector.
Yeah.
Yeah. But your technical education was not good, family background.
Yeah.
Also not good. Your father said that due to lack of money you couldn't go further. So what do you think is what after completing your Air Force service, would you like to go for IIT?
No, because every person when you are child, then you will think only the second level. But when you will leave third level, then you will think upper level.
Okay.
So I am reach medium level. Then I will think upper level, not lose.
Okay. Do you think that you can be an IS officer?
Because my strength is my confidence. If every content I have, then I can do everything. I don't have over confidence, but I have confidence I can do everything. Because in in 10th, 12th, and everything, when I got everything, when I want anything, first of all I will plan basic plan, after the medium plan, or the advanced plan, after the plan bin also, so I can easily.
Okay. When you came over here, that time you were not able to speak English well.
Yeah.
So how do you remember your those days?
Yeah, that day, sir, I am still remember it when I study class 6th. When I was going to examination, one person said me, "All the best, bro." So I thought, what is the all the best? I still I didn't know what is the all the best. I thought English is very important in my life. After class 12th standard, I pass out. Then I came here and I learned it. After a little bit how to speak English, not a fluently speaker, but if any speaker spoke with me, then I had company with
You
him.
can understand. So
Yeah, I
what
can
would you like
understand.
to say about this coaching? How did this help you to be a speaker?
Yeah, if this coach English World Institute of English Language in Puramukti, it's helped my life because they changed my life because that time I used to is backbencher. I counted backbencher. My all friends is backbencher. So every person in like that. Romer man. I am also Romer, but if after that I came here, I changed my life. Everything I changed, but I didn't forget my friends because they are my friends.
Okay, that's good. So you told so many things about your life and as well as you told about your level selection. So are you happy right now? Finally, that you got your goal, whatever you wanted to be. Now you have been.
Because if I say in I have got selection in a field, but I am not happy because my aim is not completed. My aim is incompleted still. When I completed my aim goal, after that I will happy
What is your aim?
because I want to be service. When any poor person want to anything, then I will I will I will be in level. Then I service all poor person. Uh, I can say when I got a IS officer, then all poor families I will help. That I will my aim is
Why do
complete.
you want to help them? There are so many people they can help them.
Yes, every person, our politician also says, you will give vote and I help, I serve my nation. But they forget. So, if I will do first of all, when I will go Air Force lesson, then out of serve, I save my my Bharat Mata. I saved. After that, after 4 years completed, then I will serve in India. Both
Okay.
in
Would you
my
like to be in? Would you like to join politics?
no. If any person will give chance, then I am. Of course, I will join politics because many opportunities in politics. You can think anything, then you can complete it of politician. But it is not my luck because my family is not going to politics. My family is only government sector, so I am also government sector. I will become so.
Okay. Let's have about the topic. Do you know what corruption?
Yeah, I know very well corruption because when I go to Indian Air Force and many corruption people attacked my Bharat Mata, then I also
Tell,
said,
tell something about corruption. I want to listen.
yeah, in India there are many there are many corruption like that. Education also corrupt, our government also corrupt, and lawyer everything is corrupt. First of all, I want to say education. In this time, education is very corrupt because if you class 10th standard, 12th standard, and you give, if you will give money in, in when where your center is going, then you get easily your other person will write a copy and only you sit. And after if you will reach graduation, after, only you will pay fee. After that, result came your house, will come your house. What is this? This is a corruption. If you, you will not have to go anywhere, and your result came your home. And also, if we talk about police station, railway station, everything corrupt. If we talk about police station also corrupt. Every when a person will not join police station, they, after they said, I am honest person. But when they joined police station, after that they will be corrupt because of every person greedy. Like every person want to money. Without money, you can't live. So police station also corrupt, and if you go anywhere by bike, by car, anywhere, and if you police say want to money, then you police station says stop, stop. After that they ask for everything, any paper, DR, everything, and you have everything. Also police ask for give me where is your helmet, where is your anything. After that they ask for bribe. So this is
Right.
bribe. This is corruption. And also if we talk about uh, high court, supreme court, and also corrupt because if supreme court is honest, then all over India is become honest. But and many judge sell of money, buy money, and if we talk about educate, many educate sell buy money. Many poor person can't justice. They have proof, everything proof, but rich person they give bribe. After that everything you have proof, but educated will be telling will be lawyer. So this is also corrupt. Lawyer, every lawyer, every judge also. And if we talk about railway station also corrupt. When you travel anywhere, any go, and by luck you don't have ticket, and you go. After that TT catch you. After that TT ask for a bribe, and then you will not give, then they reach to police station, but they only they say, but they will not reach police station, and they ask for bribe. Railway station also corrupted. And if we talk about politician, very big, if it, when I say the topic, and politics is very big corrupt. Without politics, in India is maybe beautiful India, but politics is corrupt. Politics has been corrupt, and they when voting time came, then they promise many things. I will do everything. I will do help poor person and many things. After that, they gave money. After that, they they sell vote. After that, they will win. So only corrupt.
Okay, you said so many things about corruption, and you also discussed about police department.
Yes.
Okay, what do you want to say with policemen? Why are they corrupt? They are getting lot of money from the government, going to provide them more than 60,000, 20,000, 30 plus, no? 20?
Yeah.
30, 60 plus they are getting. Even then they are doing corruption. Why do they do corruption? Why the demand for bribe to the people who don't have money?
Because of, they are greedy, and if have also any person give bribe, and you will be changed one day. So because money is everything, without money you can't live in India, and not India, all over world. So and many rich person will give hafta in police station.
Okay,
Protection money, yeah. And so many things in police station happened.
Okay, did you ever try to oppose?
Of course, I will try to oppose. Even police station in police station. First of all, they fearing very much, but you will not fear. After that, you will anything. You will police station quarrel in any person and attack, and maybe they make suit.
Have you ever given bribe to policemen?
No, I haven't seen.
Have you ever given bribe?
No, I haven't give bribe. I am honest. I am one day I will Air Force. So in Air Force is very disciplined and no one takes bribe. So I am also not.
How can you say that in Air Force discipline is very much? People are there, they are not correct. Many people are there also in airport. They are corrupt. If you talk about some jobs are there, those who are officers. Okay, they provide their juniors, those who work for them. Like if it is a job of first class, then officer provide them.
Yet,
Those who work for them.
I think you are mistaken because in Indian Air Force says in Indian Air Force don't take bribe. But someone one exceptional also level 1 to 3 officer maybe takes bribe because when happened Pakistan terrorist attack in India, then 1 or 2 officer catch to bribe. I don't know.
What is solution of corruption?
Maybe first of all, government takes
Should take.
government should take action and role of media. If any there is corruption, then you will only shoot video. After that, in government take care of any person who gave bribe. So role of media is remove corruption, and also government should
What is role of media in this matter?
yeah, if anywhere corrupt area,
How do media how does media play role over here?
yeah, you know sir, media the four pillars of democracy. If theory democracy is failed, after that media will come, and many poor person can't justice, but role of media by media easily without any proof, without anything, poor person get justice.
Okay, what about in your village? Where are you from? Where do you live?
Yeah, I live Sekpur Supu Chal Kosambi.
Can you please tell me something about your village?
Yeah, in my village, many things. In my village is a good place for me, and I remember, I will still remember it because I loved my village and everything is available in my village and
Yes.
and my father, big father say serve my village because my big father is the pradhan of my village,
Prime of village.
prime, yeah. So I will remember and everything is every year every year go takes mela. So and
Meal is held.
yeah, mela is held and every year is dangal also going on. So everything I have my village.
What would you like to do for your village when you do something?
Uh, First of all, in my some society is backward. I will give education free of cost and also I will give advice in parents. You should send your child and also you should care of education. Without education, village is backward, slowly backward. So
You want to provide education free of cost. Already government has started to use. There are many government schools in a village where they can get free education, free books, free food. Why
yeah,
do you want to
I
start?
agree with you, sir. But in government also mistaken and who send in government college, government school, who parents also mistaken because one per month should take a parent teacher meeting. Parents parents should have gone to meet teachers.
So, okay.
Should go to meet teacher.
Must.
Yes, must go to meet teacher and what are doing my child. So everything should know about child and also government should take action because in this time teachers teach not well. Only teachers watching phone and reel. So
You mean to say they pass their time?
yeah, they pass only time.
Okay. So how can we improve them?
Uh, but I think government watching one every room takes CCTV camera only. Lucknow Lucknow government watching only per room watching what teacher doing teacher what are doing in watching phone or teaching. So maybe improve our college, our government. Maybe sir, Delhi is improve in government college. Every rich person want to teach, want to study in government college. How how did he change? Government take action after that change everything in government.
Which is the most corrupt department in the government sector?
Uh, if we talk about everything corrupt, but if we talk about police station also very much corrupt and our Supreme Court, High Court also corrupt.
How can you say about Supreme Court, High Court? They are corrupt. They are just there are the Chief Justice of India and Lok Sabha days are there. If they will be corrupt, how will we get justice?
Because sir, our judge is blind. Without the proof, they can't believe anything. If any person will die, so also they don't believe it is right, and many
They want proof.
they want proof, and many lawyer sell by money by rich person. After that, and many if the case is very big, after that judge also sell by rich person. So we can't say also judge or lawyer is honest.
Okay, and today your last day in this coaching.
Yes.
Okay, after today you will not come in future. Means in future you can come after the
Yeah.
training. But what do you want to say about this day, this today?
Uh, yeah. You have been said, sir. Today is my last day, and in future I will come to coaching after 6 months, 7 months. But I will remember in this coaching and Also in this coaching might change in my life. So everything, every time when I want to, when in this coaching help me, so I will help this coaching, and I want to serve in this coaching. Then if you and when teacher if he ask for any help, then I will help. And if you teacher said maybe coaching is very big, because in this coaching any village to village is reach this coaching, every person is spoken, every person speak English very much. But if in this is the district of Kosambi. Only Kosambi one of them in this coaching. And if the according to me, if in this coaching reach any every village, so I I I will speak thank you God when my all poor person learn English, and when my all poor person learn English, then every bhaiya who are judge, who are IAS officer, who are prime minister, he speak without hesitation.
So there are so many coachings are here at Kuramati.
So yes, if you can say there are many coaching, and but in this coaching, if you, in my opinion, you have magic. I am not telling a lie. If any person says he only you teach me, after that I said, but it is not good. According to me, if in this coaching any person they don't know how to speak English a little bit, but if he came here after 3 months, that will change his life because of you. You have magic of spoken English.
It is just only for saying, but I don't think that I have magic. It is just your witness yourself like this. Okay, what you would like to suggest people they should come to this coaching? Then why should they come over here?
Because sir, English is important in your life, and if you will go anywhere and you don't know how to speak other language, but if you have English, then you can go anywhere or foreign or other state, everywhere. So every person, I want to tell every person should learn English.
Okay, that's good. You said a lot of things about spoken English as well as good correction and about your career and your career. You said that in future you want to be an IAS officer.
Yes.
Okay, and what is your job duration? It is for 4 years or 5 years?
No, sir. But only government said all defense exam is Agniveer. Takes Agniveer, and but it is not written. Government government didn't write written of only speak. It is Agniveer. It is 4 years 4 years job. But anywhere is written.
Yeah, there is no written.
There is no written after it 26.
You said it is not being written.
Yes, sir.
Poorly they said that it is for.
Yes, when I go to medical, then I met many officers. I asked, sir, in Agniveer 4 years, officer also said this is not good. You all are permanent. You will all be permanent.
Okay, what would be salary category over here?
Sir, salary training period is 30,000 per month. After that, every year increasing the.
Okay, and so after completing 4 years, would you like to continue or just you will quit?
No, sir, because of in 4 years, I will live in soldier life. After that, I will live. I will meet armed person.
Common public.
Public, yeah, I will meet public person.
Common public.
Yes.
Common people. Okay, that's good. So you will go on training after 4-5 days.
Yes,
Am I right?
yeah, you are right.
And you will return after 6 months.
Yeah, after 6 months, because 4 months is training, after advanced training 2 months.
Okay, that's good. What about your family? What do you want to do for your family? What is role of your family for your career?
According to me, my family, still my family don't force me. Only you do this job, only do this job. I will dream, I will choose job. After that, I will hard working, and my family is happy, and every parent should I want to advise every person don't force our son, because of son has also mind who has how much is power. So if I have power, then I can do everything. But force, if my parents force you, so you should have been doctor, then I can't do doctor. I can't be doctor. So yes, if son think, only they can do.
Yeah, I know, but just my question was this: that what would you like to for the family members? You.
Yes, sir. I have five siblings, and yeah, God, in my family, what one sister will be married in future for 6 7 months after that. But I think my parents can't get married my sister. But if I have with my family, then easily my sister will get easily married. So my sister also happy because of only 6 or 7 months before I got job. After that I will give money also. So I happy because of I give money, but contribute my money with me.
Sister's marriage.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. And nice to talk to you, Mr. Astik, and it was nice conversation with you. And best of luck for your future. And I believe that you will do very well. And after 4 you will continue. Whenever you get chance to come over here, definitely you come. I would like to see you again in future after continue training. Okay, that was good. And please, you will go now. Let's
Yes,
know.